Let's see, what is this? Day 2? I don't even know what to call it. Well, trying to get a job. For like a software engineer role and shit. Yeah, I don't even know, man. Yeah. I mean, right now I'm just studying like OS stuff because I'm like, I don't even understand it. Like, it's just something curious about, right? Just thinking about like, what the hell is like Windows work? What the hell are like all these like software layers, the kernel and stuff? Like, I don't even know. Like, something I noticed about CS is like it's just a whole bunch of level of abstraction, right? So like the OS, there's there's like the middleman. I guess you call it like a software layer that talks with like the OS, where the OS talks to like CPUs and stuff, or like all the hardware within your computer, right? And then that gets sent into like the software layer, where it kind of just handles like all these like API calls, which are just calling, either retrieving information from the OS or like sending information on like telling the OS what to do. So like a bunch of security stuff, as in like what permissions you have, either like a user or admin. I don't think that's right, but like I think that's the case. Not quite sure. Still learning it. Yeah. People don't watch this. Like, you're just like yapping to yourself, your own thoughts. Sometimes you're like dead silent for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. It's like no value to this, but also like no value to like doom scrolling on Instagram. I don't know, like, I'm a CS major. Everybody's like, yo, do some leak code, do some leak code. Like, I don't know, I feel like some people are just memorizing the solutions at this point. Spam enough leak code, and then you get interviewed one, and then like you just ace it because you just memorized it. I don't know. Most funny thing my professor said. He said during the lecture, where like people are getting dumber, and so let's say now like your average, right? Like your average IQ, and like let's say like 10 years down the line, the average IQ will have decreased to a point where like your averageness right now, like you'd probably be like really, in terms of like IQ and stuff, like you'd be intelligent than whatever the hell the average would be in like 10 years. People are just getting dumber and dumber and dumber. It's an interesting thing to think about. Like, is it because of AI? People are just like spamming AI. It's like, yo, chat. Well, how the hell do I do this? Just do my assignment. Like, there is a certain, like, I'm in my 4th year, right? I've gone through 3 years. Honestly, of course, I've done. I feel like a lot of people have done it. Like, I've done it. Like, truthfully, I've done it. It's like, yo, chat, just do this assignment for me. Like, okay, it does the solution. But like, at the end of the day, like, you don't, or I didn't. Like, I have to like, it's like you're missing a crucial part of learning, or you're just missing out like fundamentals. Like, I'm in CS. Like, I feel like if you did that during like, if you didn't suffer, you didn't like learn, you didn't learn's not the right word, but like, like if you didn't just like suffer through it, right? Like, even if your assignment was just like, I was talking about one of my assignments. I think it was like a Sudoku solver or something. Or they go implement this algorithm, right? I think it was for like a Java class, right? And like I don't know. Like, if you didn't get the logic of the question, right, you should let the AI do it. How the hell will you in the future eventually like kind of reason, kind of like understand these problems, right? Sure, you might, like, coding right now, sure, an AI can do it, right? But like, how are you going to tell it, right? So that's the real challenge now. It's like, how are you really going to tell AI how to like do something. It's like if you really like, I guess there's a difference between like people, like non-technical people who just don't know shit, and they're just like, your chat just here's a question, right, word for word, like you don't understand anything about it, right? You can't like, you don't have the intuition, you don't have like the fundamentals to kind of like point chat in the right direction, right? Or even you have no idea what direction to go into. Maybe that's fine, maybe chat can give you some ideas, but like you're just missing something. Like, you just hit this mental roadblock where like you're just stuck and you don't know how to like move forward. Like that's the kind of thing I've noticed now. It's like, yeah, sure, ChatGPT can do some of my assignments, but like if I don't understand the topics that are taught in class, I kind of like, you lack that kind of like creativity to kind of like create things. Though maybe for CS, you know, it's a bunch of theory, but the theory does help with like your intuition of like a problem where you have some level of understanding, and maybe you can create like a creative solution. These are just some of my thoughts. Hell am I, right? I'm not cracked. I hope to be cracked, but honestly, to be cracked as a software engineer, something I noticed is like, it's just putting a bunch of like Lego pieces together, and these like Lego pieces are just, they're like APIs. I don't even understand how like to build one, but you can call like ChatGPT Rapid, right? Everybody just creates this like software thing, could be anything, right? And you're just asking chat, you like just have this API that calls ChatGPT all the time, and depending on what you send it, right, you could send it questions or whatnot. You could have, say, like you have a website that just is where you're taking in user inputs as in like questions, right? Like that in itself could be a software project. That's just like a simple one. Like if you like think about like bigger projects, right, there's more components to it. There's obviously, let's say we're running like a SaaS business, right? There's the Stripe thing. Stripe is like a payment platform, right? Stripe has its own documentation for you to implement their services and stuff. There's also PayPal, right? It's just payments alone. There's also other things as well. I don't know what API. Maybe you want to collect, I don't know. I feel like there's probably like a geospatial thing. I don't know why you would use it, right? But I don't know. If there needs geospatial data, there's probably a data set out there. Maybe, yeah. Probably a data set. There's probably like an API where you can like call services and stuff. Like Google, obviously for like authentication, right, for your Gmail and stuff. That's another thing. I don't even know. I literally raw dog these videos. I'm not even gonna edit this. Just fully unfiltered videos and stuff. Like, yeah. Maybe there's some merit to it. I don't even know. Yeah, the road ahead is a long one. It's crazy. Like, I don't know. It's definitely imposter syndrome for sure. Right? You meet someone who's like 10x you, like 100x of what you are, and like, I don't know, it's intimidating. But I don't know. Maybe the reason I'm posting these videos is, I don't know, it helps that one day if I ever become that 100x person, you just watch this video while you're like, well, you know, you're starting out, right? Everybody's on their own journey. I'm like 21. I think I've kind of figured things out. It's just a matter of time, a matter of discipline. Just gotta execute. Like, one day it'll happen. Yesterday was my day one. It's a YouTube video. I don't know. It's like a whole series that people will check out. But yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how long these videos should be. I just like give this like 30 minutes to people and like listen to this. Like, it'd be crazy. Like whole 30 minutes of me yapping. This is like me having like a therapeutic session of me talking to myself and then like just thinking, just yapping about whatever the hell comes on top of my head, you know. But, you know. But, yeah. And do you guys ever just like scroll through LinkedIn and you're like, God damn, I am a bum. I'm so retarded. Like this is like like, yeah, right? Like, should I give up? Because like people are so ahead, but like, I don't know. Do it for the love of the game, right? You choose a degree, you choose the things you do in life for a reason. Maybe it's money, right? If you were to, I don't know, like if you were to work at like McDonald's or like Walmart or something, like is it like, is there someone out there like truly enjoys working those types of jobs? I feel like it's mostly just for like just survival. Either it's like for money, maybe it's just like a temporary thing, right? For most people, like I don't know, like dedicating like 30, 40 years of your life for like working at Walmart, and like the job I'm talking about right now is like a grocery clerk or like a cashier or something. Yeah, I don't know, like 30, 40 years doing that, like it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy to think about. Like I don't know. Life is very. There's no one answer to life. Everybody's life is different. My life is different. People watching this, your life is different, right? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Life is life. We go do things. We regret things. We love things. We hate things. Right? Eventually, one day we'll die, right? Like, it's the truth. People forget about us, you know, friends we had before. Maybe throughout time, you know, you move on, you go and do these things, move to another city, like the friendship's gone, right? Like, yeah. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know where this will lead. I'm just talking. Maybe talking like this gives you some confidence. Probably gonna get roasted in the comments, but people always said like, just fuck it, right? Just do it. Just do it. I mean, this could be me starting out, right? I'm posting like all these unedited videos and stuff. Just like screw it. Just post it. Like, the reality is like, who's gonna watch it, right? Maybe one day I'll blow up, but like, it's like a short-term thing. And honestly, like, the internet forgets, right? Like, not to call people out or anything, but like, example I have right now, it's like Sam Sulik, right? Maybe some people still look into like like he was pretty viral. I want to say like 2023, maybe 2024. I can't quite, like, obviously, like what I consume in terms of content is like reels. It's just like it's totally unfiltered. Like it's crazy. It's crazy. You know, you guys know the reels, right? I don't know. Maybe people are different. Maybe I'm just like a sicko or something. But yeah, I mean, looking back, I don't know. Like at his peak, I was comparing like his YouTube stats, right? It's probably getting like 400, like 500,000 views or something, like per video. Now he's averaging around like 100,000. Well, who the hell am I? Like, but I guess my point is like, you know, you go through life. You have these like content creators. Maybe you watch a bunch of videos. You know, you keep up with them and stuff. Like eventually, maybe you'll just forget about it, right? You move on through life. You forget about them. I don't know. I don't know what happens to them, right? I don't know. I don't know. I'm calling people out, like, I don't know. I'll probably be forgotten. Like this will probably be forgotten. Just be like a distant memory in the back of my head. Old and senile. I'll be like, this is me. Like this is me. Yeah. I don't know. Right, but I don't even know what kind of content this is. Relatable content, like. I don't even do CS stuff. Maybe we should start coding, but it's not even coding at this point. It's like vibe coding. But I do have some understanding of what the prompt cursor though. But, oh well. think on the video here. I think I've said enough. Till tomorrow, I guess.